Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel, and in this series I'll be installing mods to my Mustang GT, and this time I'm going to be installing a few small, simple but effective interior mods. Stay tuned. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on. And if you did like this video, then give me that thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down there, and then you'll get some sneak peeks of upcoming videos. Let's go. So stay tuned to the end where I'll detail where I got these from and how much I paid for them and what type of quality I think that they are. Don't forget, drop me a comment below if you can find cheaper and better quality items somewhere else. So here are the mods I'll be doing today. First of all, I'll be starting with the paddle shift extenders. Then we'll be looking at putting these mode button covers on, and then a couple of these little door pockets, then door lock covers and check strap covers. So let's begin. So the paddle shift extenders that you actually get with the car, I find are just really too short and could do to be a little bit longer. So these are exactly that. They will extend the existing paddle shift. There's the shape of the paddle shift as you can see it, and they're basically going to use these stickies to stick on there and stick on the back of the paddle shift. But as you will be pulling them towards the stickiness, I think that should be enough. So let's get these fitted. Okay, so I've got the camera in a position where you can see what I'm doing, working on the actual paddle. So this is the new paddle shifter. So let's just try it against the back of the original one. And it actually fits in very, very nicely. So what we're going to do is now I'm going to stick one of the sticky pads on here, and then we'll stick it to the back of my paddle. Okay, so I've got the pad stuck on, so now let's just peel off protective layer and line it up, and let's stick it on. So I'm going to line up this bit here. And press. You know, that actually feels really nice. Yeah. Yep, and it's not going to come off very easily, and every time you use it you're pushing against the sticky anyway, so that should be really good. Alright, so let me get the other side done and then I'll show you the finished product. So there we go, a very, very simple but effective mod. Extending those paddle shifts on both sides. Nice. Let's move on to the next mod. So this next mod again is dead easy. The mode switch buttons I find are pretty plain, and you can't even really see that they're there. So these little covers will go over them and just make them look a little bit more exciting. Very simple to do, very simple mod. Let's get it installed. So if you look at these, this is how they're shaped. So if you know that these look like toggle switches, but they're not, they don't actually go down. They only go one way, and that's up. So that's going to be reflected in these. So these are going to stop it. These are for your finger to get in so you can lift it up. So these need to be fitted that way. Probably one of the simplest and easiest mods ever. But let's pop them on and see what they look like. So they make the switches look a little bit more meaner now, and as if they actually do something quite good, which is what they do. Excellent. Next mod. So on to the next mod, and with this one, what these are basically little pockets that are going to fit inside the door handles, just giving you a little bit of extra storage. Let's get them on. Pockets. So as you're probably aware, these door handles go right through. Well, if you pop these in place, then you've got a little pocket in there. So you can pop it in, push it down, like so, all the way down, and you've now got another little pocket to store stuff in, which could be good because I have my garage door actuator here, so I'll probably leave that in there because that's going to be a lot easier for me to get to, rather than dig about, especially if it slides back in this one. Again, do the other side, won't bother filming it, it's exactly the same as this, and that's that mod completed. So next mod to install is these door lock covers. So they're simply just going to glue over the actual lock itself. These are available in many different colours. I've gone for a dark chrome here, and the words GT on it, as mine is obviously a GT. let's get them on. So these simply go over and just stick on with a couple of pads like that. What a difference that makes, really. It looks a lot nicer when you've opened your door. So let's install these. So you can see on the back there's 2 sticky pads, so let's remove the tape off these. And then just apply these into place, keeping them as square as possible. And put some pressure on the tape. And that's that. Simple but effective. Obviously we do the same on the other side, but I won't film that because it's just the same as this. So let's move on to the next one. And the last mod in this video is these things, which are going to go over the door check straps and hopefully stop the water getting on and making them rust like they tend to do. So these just pop on simply like so. And to be honest, that looks 10 times better actually. It looks like that is part of the car and it should have been fitted from new. Yeah, brilliant. Obviously we'll do the other side, not bother filming, it's exactly the same as this. So there we have it. So that was some very cheap and simple to install mods for your Mustang. So let's now check out the prices and where you can get these for your car. So first we installed the paddle shift extenders. So these were from AliExpress. Again, I was a bit dubious about that, but I thought I'll take the chance. And I got a pair, and you know what? The quality is absolutely spot on. Very, very happy with them, and they cost me £15.54 or around $21 for those. Next we installed the mode switch buttons. Again, these were from AliExpress, and these cost me £10.33 or $14. To be honest, these are very, very cheap plastic. That's all they are, just moulded plastic, but they are what they are. I'll see what they're like. If I don't like them, I can pull them off and throw them away for £10. It's not a problem. So next was the door storage boxes, and again I got these from AliExpress, and these were £9.59 or around $13, and yeah, they're great. I mean, you just pop them in, you can put your mobile phone in there, so every time you go out you remember to take it, which I always forget if I put it in the middle part of the dash. So yeah, they're great for what they are. So next on the list was the door check strap covers. So these came from eBay, these ones, and these were £6.59 or around $9, and they look like the car should have always had those, really. When they're clipped on, they match the black plastic on the door, and they look very, very good, and hopefully they'll stop some of that water dripping onto that bolt there and rusting it. And lastly we have the door catch covers. So these again from AliExpress. These were just £5 or $7. Nothing special, but as I said earlier, you can get these in different colours. You can get a pony on it, you can get Mustang on it. Have a look on AliExpress, you can get all different types. I'll link all of these below, so you get a link to all the ones that I bought, and you can go and have a look at those, or hunt around and get a different one if you want a different colour, different style, etc. So again, overall the quality was very impressed. Yeah, I mean the mode button's a little bit plasticky, but everything else really, really good quality from mainly AliExpress. And again, when I ordered these, they was all delivered within 10 days of ordering. So that's it, a nice little variety of mods done to my car. Were a total of £47 or around $64. If you can find better quality and cheaper, please comment below, let me know where you got those from, and obviously other people can have a look at those comments and they can go check that link out as well. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on. If you did enjoy this video, then please give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Fun to Drive Cars. I'll put the link down there where you can get sneak peeks of upcoming videos. Until the next time, stay safe.